Hello, good evening. Good evening to all. uh, yeah, it's today, Saturday. It's weekend, yes. And in today's newspaper on July the 2nd, yes, Saturday, July the 2nd, 2022. Look here. July the 2nd, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles, Sudoku Medium and Quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. This one I won't do them anymore because it will take me more than an hour. So only one regular puzzle, Sudoku Medium. And we have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. Cipher block, aka tectonic, with 4 stars, with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. I will do today the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, the binary, and the tectonic. Tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will do the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. But first we will do the Sudoku Medium. Yes, daily Sudoku practice still continues. Alright, let me zoom and focus this. This will be number 4788. 4788. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and a 1. We have a 5 and a 1 in the middle column, so no 5 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 1, 5 and a 1, or 1 and a 5. Yes. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this column. So no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. These 2 missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 missing numbers in the middle column. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So these 3 should be 179. 179. I'm missing 179. Let me put it here. Put 179. Reminder. Yes, this is 7. 179. Okay, 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 5. How about? Yeah. Come on. 4, 8, 3. Yeah. Alright. I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6 in this row. Look, we have a 1 and a 2 in the third column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. Okay, so 6, 4, 8, 4, 8, 7. I'm scanning. 2. We have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the third column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. Yeah, 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Excuse me. Then. How about 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 6 is missing, 7 and a 9. Okay, cannot fill this yet. Well, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6 and this box should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Well. Uh-huh. 8. Okay. I'm thinking. 7 and a 9. 4. How about these? 7 and these two missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 9, 1, 7. Okay. 4, 3, 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 7 and a 3, 7 and 3. One digit left in this big square for number 1 and 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. 1 and a 9. Okay. Now we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see here 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Oh, wait. Cannot continue with the 9. But we have two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. First column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4. 8 goes there. Alright. Then. 8 in this row. 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Okay. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here 5 in the last column, so no 5 in that box. So one box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 5 and the 1. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box will be a 5, and this box will be a 1. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 6 and the 3, 6 and the 3. Let me mark those two boxes. Can I fill this yet? Need to wait. We have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be 6. Alright, 6. 2 missing numbers in this column. I've marked this box with 6 and a 3. 6 or 3, 6 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then, let me see. 139, 139, 999, 99. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, could be there in this big square. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9 in this row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the 9, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the third row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers. Oh, wait. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. Yes, definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Yes, daily Sudoku practice still continues. See you later. Later on, I will do the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.